under 7. That's what he does the best. The very first ball, you have to be very watchful, very careful. He looks to ball that.
That's crunched away, and the first boundary for Lahore qalandars. You can hear the crowd, they want more of that. Fidgety at the crease and not doing anything. Oh, lucky. 3 dot balls and then back-to-back boundaries. Clearance from the over. And Chris Allen says, I'm not happy enough, I want more. Then he gets more. Big 6. 17 runs off the earth. Chrislin and Parker Zaman has been dealing in boundaries, and it continues as the over number 4 gets underway. Straight over the bowler's head before. Chrislin says, bring on who you want to. I have one. Wow. Look at that. Even further, and that brings up the 50.
Spin into the attack. Moeen Ali's first ball just gets it over. Wow, what excitement from Lahore.
Oh, what has he done? And Imran Tahir is off on that famous victory celebration. 2nd wicket. Look at that. Have a look at that. He knows how. Oh, will he be in trouble here? He is. The captain takes the catch, and Mohammad Hafiz is on his way. Tahir's not doing laps, but he's certainly celebrating like a footballer.